Hi, my name is Mandy Chong. So the F1 season is here, and as you can see, Singapore has literally paved the way for F1 drivers this season to have a good ride. But it seems that there are some people who are unhappy about the situation. So BlogTv is here to find the sentiment on the ground to see how the non-F1 drivers are feeling about the F1 diversions. Let's go. So right here I have my sign and we're going to be trying out a honk pole. Let's do this. Okay, he's not sporting enough. Yeah, that was a honk! Okay, he thinks I was mad. No. So far, I think we've got 3 honks, and we've been here for only less than a minute, so I think it's pretty heated. You hate the diversions, don't you? You want a honk. You want to honk. Honking for me, that one. Oh my god! Thank you! Okay, this is dangerous, but you know what?
Okay,
it's totally
let's get out the road.
Okay, I totally risked my life there, but I think it was totally worth it because I think we got at least 10 honks. Yeah! That was a really long one. I think he's really passionate about that. Tourists, probably. And she's just waving, but really, we've ridden honk. Please honk. Yeah, good man! You're a good man! Okay, he's not too happy. Maybe he's just grumpy because of the F1. Alright, I do have insurance. Anybody? Honk just for kicks. It'll make you feel good. I promise. Taxi drivers are always grumpy. Come on, taxi driver. He totally ignored me. He ignored me. You know you want to. You know you. Okay, I'll stop. You don't like diversions, no? Yeah, you totally feel that? Who's feeling me? Yeah, good man. I think he was honking because of the sign. Yeah, you're. Woo! Yeah. Nah. Cheers, mate. Cheers.
Honk! Honk!
Ah, yeah. Honk! Honk to the camera. Happy. I mean, even humans are not happy. Only been here for half an hour, and it seems that we've got about 50 honks already. So I think it's safe to say that Singaporeans feel that the F1 diversions is